Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with some pearl paints from Amsterdam. I was inspired by Molly artistry. I saw some other artists do that. Mark Radcliffe, I remember from my head now, but mostly Molly I did, and Rinske did this while ago play, and I did some marble rolls with it. So today I grabbed them again, and I have pearl yellow, pearl green, pearl blue, pearl violet and pearl red. And I have some black too, because those pearls or interference colors, they work the best on with black. They show the most of their beauty on the black or with black. And I don't know, I will go with just black kind of base, some puddles, some swipes, maybe some marble rolls. I don't know. I will go kind of with the flow. So I will add some black on both of those sides first, because I want to keep some negative space if I can. So let's do some puddles here. This is red and some violet. And they don't show much when they are dry, wet, so you will have to wait for the dry result if you want to see how this will look. And same for me. They're kind of interesting to work with because of that too, I think. And now I don't know where I put those colors, so I will just add some black here too. I don't know. I'll try to marry those colors here in the middle. Okay. Oh, and I will grab a palette knife now to do some swipes. Let me see. Let's grab this one. And my paints are mixed with 3 parts school glue, Elmer's school glue, and 3 parts Amsterdam acrylic binder, and 4 parts of water. So let's go. I don't know if this will even react, to get some cell reaction or something. Hopefully it will. Not a lot, but some. want to roll some marbles. So I will just grab this little one. Just adding some black paint here on the sides to cover it nicely, because the sides are important too, especially if you have these detached canvases. Okay. Maybe I can see where the green is, and I will leave it to dry because kind of like it. So here is a close-up. I really love this painting. Kind of miss some purple. And I want to do this again. Not a lot from swiping, but just enough to add some interest here and there. Oh, I love this pearl red and green together with yellow, and I love this painting so much. Can't wait to play some more. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.